Knife news. So, we got two things we're talking about today. Number one is Fell knives. Fell knives are handmade in Los Angeles, California, and Mad Scientist Knife Scales, who is a friend of mine here in Maryland, opposite ends of the coast, and we are going to talk about them right now. So let's go to the Fell Knives website. Fell Knives, handmade in downtown Los Angeles, California. Really, I mean, look at those knives. They're beautiful. They're absolutely gorgeous. But really what caught my attention with him was this Fell XBL Big Boy. This is one heck of a knife. It's a Chinese-inspired cleaver, but it's inspired Chinese. It's not a full-blown cleaver. Look at that thing. Oh my God, that thing's gorgeous. Now, I've had the opportunity to work with Fell knives, and they are really, really spectacular knives. They're tempered very well, and they are just great knives. Great steel, great look, great handle material, great everything. And now, these are not the cheapest knives in the world. However, I get people come up to me all the time that say, you know, I wish I had a Kramer knife before Kramer became Kramer. Well, you can have a Fell knife before Fell becomes Kramer. I can tell you right now, this guy's gonna blow up. These knives are spectacular knives. Check out his Instagram. I'll put a link in the description below so you can get to it. Really, really fantastic. Make sure you look for him, especially on Instagram. He's got a really great little Instagram page. And I look at it every day. I'm amazed at what this guy does.
I'm John Luke. I'm a knife maker, and this is my shop.
Mad Scientist Knife Scales. A friend of mine, John Luke. Love this guy. Everybody loves him. How can you not love him? He was an ex-paratrooper. He is, well, I mean, he was an Golden Knight. This guy was at Super Bowls, everything else, jumping out of airplanes. Really, really, really a great guy to even just to sit down and talk to.
It's too early. I haven't had my coffee yet. At least let me do my hair.
He is making some of the best knife scales I think I've ever seen. As soon as he makes a batch, they are sold out. And they're normally going to someone like Fell, who buys them, puts them on their knife handles. He doesn't really get credit for what he's doing, but I can tell you from experience, and I've seen some knife scales that are just horrific. His knife scales are really top-notch and beyond what I've seen out there. He's just stabilized wood, and he's an artist, so he's making them just absolutely gorgeous. I highly recommend checking him out as well. I'll put his link in the description. His Instagram is great. This guy is a character, and you will love looking at that every day. He is just a phenomenal artist. Can't stress enough how you need to follow these two guys on Instagram. You know, if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can do that as well. I think I have like 200 people following me, so, you know, I've kind of hit stardom, obviously. So, once a week, Skip and I, who skips back, love Skip, we're going to put this together, a knife news segment. This is our first episode, so they'll get better in time. Not saying anything bad about my acting, but hey, what are you going to do? Yeah, cut that out.
Whether or not you like this show, you hit that like and subscribe button, and you do it now. Like and subscribe.
Whether or not you like this show, you hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button. There's two different buttons.
Okay, there's two buttons. One's like, one's subscribe. Hit both. Later.